Heavy-duty AC power cable. This 6 feet, 1.8 meters, 14 Aruban Florins universal power cord with NEMA 5-15P and IEC 60320 C13 connectors is suitable for workstations, home office use. Rated to carry 125 volts at 15A. Performance and safety. UL listed. UL62 UL817. Fully molded strain relief connectors for durability. Fire rating. VW1. 3 conductor power cable made with 100% copper wire. This C13 thick gauge computer power cord is available in other lengths. Specs. 6 feet, 1.8 meters. AC power cord, NEMA 5-15P to IEC 60320 C13. 14 AWG. 125 volts 15A. Max, jacket type. SJT, jacket material. PVC, black. Temperature range. 37 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. 3 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Cable outer diameter. 0.3 inches, 7.6 millimeters. Compatibility. PC Power Cord NEMA 5-15P works with North American outlets. IEC C13 connector works with most desktop computers, servers, monitors, PDUs, printers, and more. Replacement PC power supply cable, cord. The IT Pro's choice. Designed and built for IT professionals. This 3-prong power cable is backed for life, including free lifetime 24/5 multilingual technical assistance. Top reviews from the United States. Heavy gauge. Excellent cords. There's no reason to buy a computer power cord that isn't at least 14 gauge. Stay far away from 16 gauge with today's high wattage GPUs.